Hey everyone, if you want to use your phone as a webcam in Zoom with DroidCam, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. So let's get started. First, install the DroidCam app on your phone and the DroidCam client on your Windows PC. Connect your phone to your computer using either the same Wi-Fi network or a USB cable. Once connected, make sure you can see your phone's camera preview in the DroidCam client. Next, open Zoom on your computer and sign in to your account. Click the Settings icon, then go to the Video section. In the Camera drop-down menu, select DroidCam Source or DroidCam Video, depending on your installed version. After a few seconds, your phone's camera should appear in the Zoom preview window. If needed, adjust your camera position, lighting, or orientation before joining a meeting. If you also want to use your phone's microphone, enable audio in the DroidCam client before connecting. Otherwise, you can continue using your computer's microphone for meetings. If the camera doesn't appear, make sure DroidCam is connected first, then restart Zoom or reconnect DroidCam and try again. And that's it. You've successfully set up DroidCam with Zoom. Now you can enjoy better video quality during meetings using your phone as a webcam. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next